Young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
This is Kim C Reacts, and we are back with more reactions. Today, guys, we got the baby. We got Selling Crack featuring Offset. Ooh, the video. Okay, Offset. It's Migos. Turn me up. Rest in peace to Takeoff, bro. We miss you. Anyways, we got the baby. Selling Crack featuring Offset. We got the video right now. You have it. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment. Make sure you share. Make sure you stay tuned for more videos, because you never know about me. Never know what I got on my chest. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and get into the reaction. I'm not going to hold y'all up. Not going to waste y'all time. Let's get into it right now. Let's go, bro. Hold on. 1 second. All right, the baby. Let's go.
Call the fire, man, nigga.
Yes, sir.
She a hot girl.
Oh,
2023 shit. New shit. I know. Old nigga. New shit. Now look, I got about niggas' way.
yes, sir.
Huh?
Yeah.
Ain't that what I did, ain't it? Huh?
Yes, you
Huh?
did, Mr.
I let them hit all my fans.
Oh.
Yeah, you.
Man, come on now. Don't point the gun at the folks, the baby. Now they already scared. The baby. He's stupid for real.
You a bitch, nigga.
Oh, my God.
Let's see about your bitch ass, nigga. Believe that.
I'm going to do something.
You done
Did he fart?
stinky booty ass, nigga. Look, this all I need you to do, nigga. Get up.
I'm sorry for pausing. He farted. That dude farted. Stanky booty ass little boy. Oh, shit.
By my way, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
And let me take over the industry.
Yes,
You do that for me?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
and quit digging in your ass, nigga.
Oh, yes, sir.
Fucking booty stink.
He farted again. Yo,
You a funky nigga.
not a fuck.
Yeah, gotta win back my junkies. I'm making music like I'm selling crack. Yeah, I'm in the club with that fire hand dancing around like I'm John Morant. Yeah, this nigga get out of llama. His gang, he gon' fuck around, die with his count. I'm on a 14-hour long flight overseas. I'ma sit back and try get a nap. I'm on the way overseas, do a show for 400. Why these niggas that hate got no money? Yeah, by myself out of state with my glizzy. Yeah, know the first nigga play, I'm gon' bun him. Yeah, I remember making plays for 4 onions. Yeah, I remember the days they won't with me. Like my uncle Ray say Mississippi. Before I go, gotta take me one with me. Please don't tell me that you lacking. You gon' fuck around, get your ass caught out of bounds. Now clean them up, go get a napkin. If you eatin', then go pay your taxes. Yeah, came a long way from sharing bed with big brother. Had to sleep on the floor on the mattress. And if I can keep it up, I'm going platinum. Again, nigga, believe that. Gotta win back my junkies. I'm making music like I'm selling crack. Yeah, I'm in the club with that fire hand dancing around like I'm John Morant. Yeah, this nigga get out of llama. His gang, he gon' fuck around, die with his camp. I'm on a 14-hour long flight overseas. I'ma sit back and try get a nap. Yeah, I'ma sit back on this bitch and try get some sleep. I'm trying to get $1 billion, you trying to get a free. I ran into her, she trying to get me. I didn't do it, couldn't find time to speak. Vowed to my music when I'm out of reach. Y'all niggas students, guess I gotta teach. Niggas don't play with this shit, that's on me. I put my name on this shit, I'm on G. I ain't coming off of that shit. If I'm somewhat involved in them niggas gon' pay for that fee. I just ran out of gas and my Rolls Royce won't pay attention and didn't know the take was on E. Gotta talk fast when you're talking to a nigga with some motion, cause he always got places to be. And I'ma have the last laugh if it ain't what you motherfuckers thinking, then okay, stay focused, let's see. Gotta win back my junkies. I'm making music like I'm selling crack. Yeah, I'm in the club with that fire hand dancing around like I'm John Morant. Yeah, this nigga get out of llama. His gang, he gon' fuck around, die with his camp. I'm on a 14-hour long flight overseas. I'ma sit back and try get a nap.
Oh, man, that beat go. That beat. That beat go hard. Dun. Ah, let's go.
You wanna be buff? Get your ass.
Move! Get your ass.
The hell?
You think you had enough? Funky black.
Oh,
What's up,
hey.
baby? Dirt ass.
Offset.
First you was a robber. Then them niggas popped your ass. And look at you now.
Bro, I know I look like stir-fried shit, man. Come on, man. Let's want some turkey.
Come on, man. You listening to that shit? Hey, you listening to that shit, nigga?
Yeah, bro, you're number one fan.
You listening to that
Bro,
shit?
yes, every day.
Get this nigga some food.
Yo, hook me up.
What you mean hook you up?
What can I do with this? I'm a veteran. I'm a veteran.
Motherfucking veteran. Whole thing, nigga. Get your shit together.
Offset gave this dude the whole chicken on the plate. The whole chicken. He could have gave him a leg. He gave the whole fucking plate. Yo, they is turning up on here for real.
Thank you so much.
Come work with me.
He talking about the turkey.
No.
Hey, no, hey, where the money at? Pookie.
Brush your motherfucking teeth, man. Shit look disgusting, nasty, man. Comb your motherfucking hair,
He gave him the whole turkey. I'm screaming, bro.
man.
I'm sending pants to the north off the rip. Dope boy shit, L1 with the fit. Pop my shit, double R with a kick. She ain't never been with a star, no pics. I'm serving, I'm splurging, I'm watching my back, I'm observing. Trunk full of birdies is making me nervous. Louis V, this one version. This bitch bad, I curve her. Hop in the lemon, I speed. I call it the green centipede. Get a bowl, let it go in the street. Get some more, let it grow like a seed. Cock of the pop it, I made me a profit. The plug is the socket, the wrist is on aqua. Somebody get him, nobody can't stop him. Guarantee get back, somebody gon' pop him.
Gotta win back my junkies, I'm making music like I'm selling crack. Yeah, I'm in the club with that fire and dancing around like I'm John Morant. Yeah, this nigga get out of llama, his gang he gon' fuck around, die with his camp. I'm on a 14-hour long flight overseas, I'ma sit back and try get a nap.
You been out smoking my shit, nigga?
Oh, hell yeah.
Fuck is this?
What you 5-0? Hey, G-Money, take this bitch ass nigga outside and kill him. And call the fireman.
Oh, no.
She a hot girl. Scotty, help me, I'm gonna die!
Bro, blessed, grateful. Shout out, you know, the baby for giving me another opportunity to do my thing. You know?
Man.
That's it, man. Shout out to God, you heard?
Rap nigga like a lot of they fans, might as well play him a beat. Yeah, I don't like to throw rocks and hide my hand. I come say it was me. Hey, she been looking hard trying to find her man. Told her I ain't what she think. And she was nothing more than a 5 out of 10, but the Adderall gave her like 3. I took her Adderall, mixed it with alcohol, made her a hater, and she ate the D. Still enough shitting on these niggas after all.
Hey, I know y'all on my head, but like, I said a chicken. I mean, I'm sorry, y'all gonna think I'm not black. I mean, it was a turkey. He put a turkey on that man plate. I said chicken. No. They gonna come from my head, bitch. I'm black. How the hell I don't know what a turkey and a chicken look like? I'm screaming, bro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro.
My bad if I got in my feelings back then. I was tripping. I ain't really have it all. I just did a show for 300 for songs that I put out there 4 years ago. Had to drop to the floor and thank God for my catalog. She come bring me that pussy when I'm sick like it's prescription. If you bitch ass niggas ain't with me, get off my dick and mind your business. If you don't wanna hear a nigga rap about real life shit in the way he live, then just turn my shit out, put on them other niggas. Let 'em lie to you. Rap nigga like a lot of they fans, might as well play him a beat. Yeah, I don't like to throw rocks and hide my hand. I come say it was me. Hey, she been looking hard trying to find her man. Told her I ain't what she think. And she was nothing more than a 5 out of 10, but the Adderall gave her like 3.
That's my baby.
Yeah.
Hey, that's.
I took her Adderall, mixed it with alcohol, made her a hater, and she ate the D.
Hey, this must like. Hey, is this like video like sampled off of a movie or something like that? Hey, is this like video like sampled off of a movie or something like that? If it is, I ain't never seen a movie before, so make sure you comment down below and tell me what it is. This is a nice song. It's like, I see they had went back to make it like some like an 80s mix or a 90s mix. This is just legit. You know, got Offset back on the channel. And we got, no, I don't have Offset on here nowhere. So we got Offset. We been had the baby. Make sure y'all like this video. Make sure y'all subscribe. Key MC is going to be back with more videos. Stay tuned for more videos, bro. We selling crack. So just come back and get some more of your crack. Key him out.